This is week 30's Friday review. Question 1. 1.2 divided by 0.2. They've written it as 1.2 over 0.2. They've multiplied top and bottom by 10 to clear the decimal point. That's left with 12 over 2. Your answer is 6. Double 0.85 is 1.7. Minus 3 plus 9. I've said this before. You can actually swap them around in order. Might make it clearer. That's the same as same plus 9 minus 3. So 9 minus 3 is 6. Question number 4. The average of four numbers is 10. That means the total is 40. Three of the numbers are 9, 8, and 11. Added together, that makes 28. What's the fourth number? It has to be 40, take away 28. Your answer is 12. Question 5. What number is halfway between minus 4 and plus 8? So I was saying to you, you can do it out as a number line, or like the last one I did, you can find the difference between the two numbers. So the difference between minus 4 and plus 8 is 12, because minus 4 up to 0 is 4, and 0 to 8 is 8. So 4 plus 8 is 12. That means the halfway will be 6. So minus 4 plus 6, or 8 take away 6, will take you to the halfway point. In both cases, that's 2. Question number 6. 8 multiplied by 3 equals 3 multiplied by 8 equals 24. Very easy question, nearly too easy. Question number 7. How many faces has an octahedron? 8. We've had that before. Question number 8. Which digit in the decimal 5.268 is the thousandth? It's 8 is the thousandth. The third digit is the 1 over 1000. So it's 8. Question number 9. 1/3 of y equals 9. So y equals 27. We've had that very same question before. Question number 10. 2.2% is 0.022. Question number 11. Halve 8.5, 4 1/4. Question 12. Which sides are parallel? A and C. Parallel means going exactly the same direction. So A and C are parallel. Question 13. 8 and 6 over 20. Take away 10 over 20. You could write that as 7 and 26 over 20, because you can take one of the digits out of the 8, turn it into 20 over 20, so you're left with 7, add that 20 over 20 to the 6 over 20, 7, 26 over 20. When you have that, you can just take away 10 from 26. Your answer is 7 and 16 over 20. Question 14. X is, well, a whole full rotation is 360 degrees. Take away 110 degrees. So 360 take away 110 is 250. Question 15. Total cost of 8 sweets is €2.24. What's the average cost of one sweet? 2.24 divided by 8 is 28 cents. Question 16. 9,700 meters equals 9.7 kilometers, because there's 9,000 and there's 1,000 kilometers, 1,000 meters in a kilometer. Question 17. 140 millimeters equals 0.14 meters. 140 millimeters is 14 centimeters. So it's 0.14 meters. There's 1,000 millimeters in a meter. Question 18. What's the perimeter of a regular pentagon? 5 sides in a pentagon with 90 millimeter sides. 90 multiplied by 5 is 450 millimeters. Question 19. Round 6.043 to 1 decimal place. Now, 1 decimal place, even though there's 3 after here, that's not important. The second one is what's important, because the second one is what's going to be deciding whether you're rounding up or down. So that's 4. 4 is less than 5. That means you round down. So it's going to stay at 6.0. Don't forget, you only round down to the 0. You can't round down past the 0, because you're going to the nearest one, really. Rounding means going to the nearest one. So it's 6.0 anyway. Question 20. A fridge costs €800 plus 20% VAT. What's the total? We've had it so many times at this stage. 20% equals 1/5. 1/5 of €800 is 160. Add it on, your answer is 960. Question 21. The area of the house is 400 meters squared. What's the area of the garden? The whole thing, the whole plot of land is 60 by 40, which is 2,400. Take away the house, which is 400. So your garden is 2,000 meters squared. The perimeter of the house, then you have to add them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perimeter of the house is 80. The perimeter of the garden is 200. Question 23. 6.3, 6.9, 7.5, 8.1. In each case, you're going up by 0.6. Question 24. If there are 60 English pence or 60 pence sterling to €1, how many euro would you get for £12? 60 by 2 would give you 120. So 60 by 20 will give you 12. That's €20. Last question. Pack of cards 1 to 20 are shuffled. Take the chance of randomly selecting a multiple of 3. First of all, you have to identify what are the multiples of 3. They're 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. But the ones inside 20 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. 6 out of 20. I multiply top and bottom by 5 to bring me up to 100. So that's 30 over 100. That means 30% is your answer.